Hey friends, and welcome to my channel. I decided to break out my camera for a little peek into my most recent HomeGoods shopping trip. I just wanted to share a few things that I found with you. I'm always looking for a reason to bring another lamp home. I always find so many cute lamps. I didn't bring any home with me today, but I thought I would share a few that I was looking at that I thought were pretty nice. This Tahari mirror caught my eye. I thought it was a really unique and interesting piece. I was just digging through some of the mirrors here. It's always so hard to find things in this section because you just gotta dig through everything. And then across the way, I saw this gigantic round gold mirror. It was so amazing. I don't think I would have any room to put it anywhere, but if someone were looking for a really big statement mirror, that would be an amazing find. I really like these little art pieces as well, and then I have also been eyeing these really big abstract art pieces for a while, and one of them was on major clearance, and I just had to take a peek at the rugs. I found two really beautiful rugs that I think would look amazing in my house. I really don't need any rugs right now, but I do have two of the same rugs in two different rooms, so I think it would be a good idea to switch one of them out. But I was just looking for today, but these two were very nice. And I just absolutely loved these chairs right here. They really gave me some restoration hardware vibes. And this table was really cool too. Perfect for a patio or even inside, I think. They had so many great patio pieces. I would just love to redo my whole patio with one of these sets. I thought this little table was interesting. It was like little geodes or something. It was so beautiful. I don't think I would have any place for it, but I did find something here that was really interesting, and that these vases were pretty cool. They were handmade in Italy, so I thought that was neat, but the gold on the bottom was just a little bit too bright for me, and I'm always on the lookout for big beautiful crystals. I absolutely love them. I was also looking in the planters and looking for that bust. There was a large bust that I've been looking for in the statue section, and I didn't find it. I don't know where exactly what section it would be in, but I did find a few really good planters that I wouldn't mind bringing home, but I am just totally out of room for planters. There was a really nice round orb one that I had seen in another video that someone had got at Crate and Barrel, I think, but I thought that was really cool. And then this one right here I really liked. That would be so beautiful with moss or something in it. But now I'm going to wrap it up and show you exactly what I got. What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I just did some shopping at HomeGoods, so I'm so excited to show you everything that I got. You may know that I'm trying to redo the room downstairs, and I am just so confused. I feel like I have too many different styles going on down there, so I just went into HomeGoods just because I was bored, I guess. I just wanted to look around, and I ended up finding some really great pieces at some amazing prices. So that was what I was so excited about, that I got such great deals on everything that I found. Also, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So let's get on to the haul. The first thing I want to show you is a gorgeous crystal, and it is so heavy. I'm going to try to lift it. Oh my gosh, I should weigh this to see how much it weighs. but it is super heavy, and I'll give you a close-up view in just a minute. But I had been eyeing this crystal for a while now. Each time I would go back, I would be like, should I get it? I don't know. Where would I even put it? Because I'm trying to like make sure I know where I'm gonna put things. That's what I tell myself, but I never do it. But I tell myself I'm gonna make sure I know where I'm gonna put things before I buy them. So I saw this crystal there and was in love with it. And there was actually another one, and it kind of laid down flat, and it was so beautiful. And I went to look at it and it was gone, and I was like, oh man, like somebody bought that crystal. I really wanted it, but oh well, you know. And then I walked around the store some more, and I came back to that other crystal, and I was like, well, you know, maybe I should get it. And I was like, what was the price again? And I turned it around and saw a red sticker on the back. So it was on clearance. So I thought, I have got to get this crystal now. And you wouldn't believe I got it for $39. This thing is massive, and I'll show you closer. If I can't even tell if it's in focus, but this crystal is huge, and it weighs a ton. So I'm gonna set that down. Ugh. Wow. Okay, that was really big. Another thing that I got, it wasn't on sale or anything, but I have this bust, and I talk about it all the time. I was just telling my husband about it. He's like, yeah, I know, you've told the story 100 times, but I am so in love with this bust that I got at an antique store, and the back of it said, the Muse de Louvre. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation, but it's from the Louvre in France. That's what it says on the back. It's like a metal stamp. So I just think that is so exciting. Anyway, I had seen several people had purchased a bust at HomeGoods, so I was hoping that maybe I could find one of those. And I recently bought that head planter that's kind of got the bust vibe to it, and I'm really liking that, by the way. So I was looking for something like that. My HomeGoods did not have anything like that, but they did have another sculpture that I thought was really interesting, and it kind of gave me like a restoration hardware vibe. I don't know why they don't have this exact sculpture, but they do have one on their website of a horse, and it's like missing its legs or its front legs, but it's like reared up, and it's really beautiful. So I wanted to show you this one that I picked up, and it just sits somewhere like this. So obviously it doesn't, I don't know where the legs are, you know, like what the intention was. Like I envision it with like no legs, not with its legs tucked under. But it says it's made in the USA, and it's got a little note on here, and it says it is a Tang Dynasty horse. But I thought it was a very interesting looking piece. I just love the color of it. I love everything about that. So I picked it up for $39.99. And now another great find that I got. I was looking for a throw blanket, and there was this really, like a muslin type, I don't know. There was a really nice blanket that I was looking at, and I was thinking about getting it, and another one caught my eye in the distance. And I picked it up, and I was looking through it, and there was no price on it. And I'll show you here. Get it out. So this is the throw. There was no price. And I looked at the tag, and it said it was made in Italy, so that piqued my interest. And then I pulled the tag out even further, and it said 100% cashmere. So I was definitely interested, although I don't know why I always buy blankets that I can't wash. So I have to keep the dogs and the children and everyone away from it. So if you have any ideas on what I could do with this 100% cashmere blanket, let me know. And not a blanket ladder, because I don't know, I've never liked those. But what can I do so this doesn't get ruined? It is so nice. So it's 100% cashmere. It was made in Italy, and I brought it up to the register and I was like, there's no price on this. And the girl just went and got like a similar, just another throw over there, and it was $29.99, which I think is an amazing deal for a 100% cashmere blanket. I looked up several other blankets. There's one that looks identical to this on Williams-Sonoma website, and it's over $200. So I was super excited to get this throw for only $29.99. So there was a lot of stuff marked down. So I wish I would have went a few days sooner, because I bet that other crystal was marked down too. But at least I got this one, and it is super beautiful. And speaking of markdowns, I got one more piece that I'm going to have to set up the camera different for to show you. I got that humongous painting. It is a Sarah Brooke painting, and actually our HomeGoods just opened in March, I believe. And it was there whenever they opened, and I was eyeing it, and I was like, I really like that painting because it's massive, and you just don't see massive pieces of artwork every day like this. And it had been $250, and there was actually another one there that looked almost exactly like it, but it was, and I think I liked it better, but this one had been marked down, and when I looked at the price, it was $69. I'm gonna have to get the measurements to tell you how big this thing is, but it is massive, and I can't believe that I got a piece of artwork that large, framed and everything, for $69. So I'm gonna show you that now. Okay, this isn't the best lighting. It is super dark in here, but I just wanted to show you how big this piece is by standing next to it. It is almost as tall as me, and look how wide. It is humongous. I can't believe I got this for only $69, and I just love the colors. It's just a nice, clean, modern piece, and it's got some nice texture to it. I love the texture, and the frame is beautiful. It is like a light oak color or a golden oak color, and it is so beautiful. And oh, it's got a name. It is called The Middle of Nowhere. It is hand painted from Australia, and the artist is Sarah Brooke. She is a Melbourne-based designer, and I don't know, I don't know, this painting spoke to me ever since I first saw it the very first time that I was there. Let me get this camera, maybe give you a close-up view. But it's got nice texture, and it is massive. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I just couldn't pass up the price. I will probably put it somewhere downstairs once we get the new fireplace, but I've just got to think about this and reconfigure it, and I will show you everything once that gets done. I'll move it out of the way, and I got some new things like on a previous shopping trip that just so happens to be behind this painting, and I will show them to you, because I don't think I have showed them to you yet. Let me move this out of the way. It's very heavy. Okay. So I have this credenza styled with some new pieces that I recently got, and actually there's still a tag on one of them. And I was in the checkout lane, and I never find things that I want to buy in the checkout lane, but the other day, I don't know what it was. Oh, I think I read this weird article about strawberries, and I don't know, like weird little bugs on the strawberries, and I was like, oh my gosh, what if those bugs are on our strawberries? And I started going on Amazon looking for a magnifying glass so that I could use it to look at the strawberries to make sure there was no little bugs on them. So anyway, who knew there were so many different kinds of magnifying glasses? Because I was on Amazon looking at magnifying glasses, and there were all these different types, and I was just like, okay, forget it. I'm not getting a magnifying glass. I don't want to think about it. So a few days later, I was in the checkout line at HomeGoods, and look what they had. This super cute magnifying glass, and it is just a lizard, a chameleon, I'm not sure what it is, gecko. But I thought it was adorable. Oh, that just slides right off. It's handmade in Poland, and 100% recycled, so that is pretty cool. But I just thought that was a neat little piece, just in case I ever want to check out my strawberries. I have a really cute magnifying glass that I keep here, and this is my beautiful bust. Obviously, you've probably seen her a million times, that I love so much. I've had this Louis Vuitton book for a while now, but this is also another piece that I got, this beautiful blue jar. I just love this. It's gorgeous. I picked that up. And then I also got this coral piece here that I don't really want to pick up, but I guess I can. Oh, I got another coral piece downstairs, but I think I already showed you that. But I just thought that was pretty, so just a lot of little pretty things sitting here that I wanted to show you. Alright guys, that is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope you will take the time to click that subscribe button and like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!